Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your FedEx Delivery Manager account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for FedEx. Now from the homepage, click on the sign up or login option at the top right corner and then click on Administrative Tools. Now from this page, you will be able to log into your Delivery Manager's account as well. Now just type in your user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. Finally, click on the login button and you will be logged into your Delivery Manager's account with FedEx right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on the Forgot Your User ID or Password option underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Delivery Manager's account with FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next one.